Hey everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. Something that has allowed me to be ready for any occasion is this awesome 2-in-1 acacia wood stand from Homesphere. It's not only stunning, but also super functional. This can serve as a cake stand or charcuterie board. The charcuterie board side has plenty of space, allowing you to decorate beautifully. Plus, it has a lid that shields food from dust and dirt. The 2-in-1 design is great for saving space also in my kitchen. I love the quality and the natural wood finish as well that add elegance to it. And the shatterproof acrylic lid is clear, so you can beautifully display your cake or charcuterie board. This cake stand is versatile, super easy to use, super easy to clean, and has a beautiful design that you will love. So if you're ready to elevate your presentation, check out this 2-in-1 acacia wood stand that I highly recommend. And that's my point of view.